Picture someone opening your grocery app on a random Tuesday evening. They're tired, hungry, and have zero desire to scroll through 50 categories just to figure out dinner. That moment right there is where most grocery apps can lose customers and potential business. In the next couple of minutes, we'll show you what it looks like when AI actually solves it for grocery delivery businesses and how the exact same thing could be running inside your grocery app. Quick context before we dive in. We're iTechnoLabs, and grocery and quick commerce platforms are kind of our thing. We've shipped several of these for founders running real businesses, not demos. What you're about to see is a working prototype we built to show exactly how an AI-powered grocery delivery platform looks like in practice. And yes, every one of them can be built or integrated into the grocery delivery app you already have. AI Shopping Assistant. So let's go back to that tired Tuesday evening. Instead of typing milk into a search bar and hoping for the best, the customer just says, "I want to make butter chicken for 4 people." And that's it. The assistant pulls together every ingredient, gets the quantities right, prices it out, and hands over a ready cart. No browsing, no second guessing what they forgot. Customers move faster, and they usually end up buying a bit more along the way because the assistant always has one good suggestion ready. Next is smart substitutions. Now, here's a moment every grocery app dreads. Suppose the item's out of stock. Most apps just swap in whatever's closest on the shelf, and customers hate that. This one looks at the brand someone usually buys, the price they're used to paying, and their past orders, then picks a substitute that actually makes sense and tells them why they picked it. It sounds small, it isn't. This single feature is often the difference between a 5-star review and a refund request. Third is predictive reordering. People run out of milk, they run out of eggs, they almost never remember until they're already out. This feature watches the pattern, milk every 5 days, bread every week, and nudges the customer right before they normally run low. One tap and it's reordered. It's the quiet feature that turns an occasional shopper into someone who orders every single week without thinking about it. The next new amazing feature in an AI-powered grocery delivery app could be recipe to cart. Someone sees a recipe on Instagram or finds one online and thinks, "I want to make that." Normally that means switching apps, copying ingredients, hoping they didn't miss anything. Here they just paste the link or snap a photo of the dish. The AI reads the recipe, checks what's already sitting in their kitchen based on past orders, and builds the cart with everything they're actually missing. It's the kind of feature people screenshot and send to friends. Last one is the AI cart health scoring. This one is for the health conscious crowd, which is a growing number of shoppers. Before checkout, the app looks at the entire cart and scores it. Too much sugar, too much saturated fat, it'll flag it and suggest a lighter swap. No major grocery app does this well right now. It's a genuinely different reason for someone to choose your app over the next one. So that's 5 features, working together as one connected experience, built to solve the actual friction points people deal with every time they shop online. If you're starting a grocery app from scratch, or you already have one and want to bring this kind of intelligence into it, this is exactly the kind of work we love doing at iTechnoLabs. Drop a message, book a free call with us, and let's figure out how this fits into what you're already building.